Hello, hello, beautiful people. This is me. I'm your host, and today I'm gonna share with you what I got in my makeup tray or everyday makeup bin. So, please subscribe and carry on. In this container, I have makeup, which I use on daily basis. Let's put it this way, because we're on the lockdown, we don't really use makeup, but there are days when you want to make yourself presentable, even for yourself. Now, it comes with different compartments. This one is more of a, no, more square. There's also a round one. I got this one in Target and I know it's still available because I saw it not too long ago. But let me show you what I got in here. Okay, so let's start with this. That's the Walgreens brand sponge and I do like it. It's really squishy. I used it this morning and it's still kind of damp. Yes, I do enjoy the sponge because it has that pointy tip and the flat surface. And I think I already have like 2 backups of it. Now this is my new favorite. That's the e.l.f. Lash Curler. For the longest, I used to use the one from Revlon. And then I decided to give a try for this one. And you know what? I do like it and enjoy it. Possible I'm gonna have a backup of it in case if they do decide to discontinue. Next one is the L'Oreal Visible Luminous Serum Tint in Rose. This is supposed to be a tint, but I use it as a highlighter because it matches my skin perfectly. It has a nice pinky sheen, so it's really natural and glowy. Then for my primer, I have the Master Blur Stick, light medium. I know it comes in a white, light medium, and I think dark. I have one more. I want to use this one up because I'm trying to finish what I got in my collection, but also let me show you this. You see this? Yeah, that's another reason why I want to finish what I got. Okay, moving on. I have foundation from Estee. That's their Double Wear Light Stay in Place Makeup. This is a lightened version of the actual Double Wear. It's Intensity 1. This one, it's almost over. And I know it was on sale before they changed the formula. So let me show you something. Those are the foundations which I currently have. I put it on a display so it's going to be easier for me to see. But yes, I do have a backup of the Double Wear. Because like I said previously, it was on sale. And I do like it. Now, I think it's called, I know it's Double Wear Light, but it's more glowy. Next one is the primer for my lashes. I use this before apply the mascara. It's dark, so you can use it on its own on a lazy days or on top of your mascara if you don't want it to flake or leave any smudges. Then is Milani. Keep it full. In. Come on, show yourself, focus. Tropical Shine. Even though it's look orange, it doesn't look like this on your lips. It's gonna give a nice sheen with a little sparkles. Even though it says keep it full, I'm like, you're gonna feel it like a minty sensation. So that's what gives that, I know, plumpness. But after it's gone, you know what? It is a nice gloss. And then I have mascara from Maybelline, that's the Lash Discovery. I use it on my bottom lashes because of the tiny brush. But also, if you want to accentuate the lashes or if you don't have too many, this thing is going to find every single lash and make them more visible. Then, I just put this one today. It's a sample of the Hypnose Drama. Mascara volume, something. Okay, I have many mascaras, so slowly I'm trying to go through them. But the one which I'm currently using is one from Soap & Glory, that's Thick and Fast. It's really black mascara. Okay, when you put it on, it's really black. The brush has many different sides, so we can easily maneuver. Here we go. So you have longer and shorter bristles. I do like it, but I don't want to use it for too long in case. Okay, I do enjoy the mascara, but I don't want to get any infections. So yes, that's why I put out the Hypnose Drama as a replacement. Then I have a primer from Lancome. That's their, what was it? CLS Sales Booster XL. I used to wear this all the time till Estee came up, not where you are, before Estee came up with their black primer, because that's what I'm wearing right now. Then I have Neutrogena lip balm with SPF. It's a balm, but it's with a color, so in case if you don't want to wear a lip gloss or lipstick, this is perfect because it's a balm with a little bit of color. Let's go through the remaining of the stuff. I should say items. I have here the Maybelline Fit Me. This item is getting many good reviews, and I know I was having it in my stash, so I'm like, you know what? Let me just take it out and use it. Then Neutrogena eyeshadow matte. This one I use all over my eyes. Let's say people enjoy Wet n Wild Brulee. So this is something similar, but the package is different. Yeah, it is a bigger package and it's different. It's 0.1 ounce or 3 grams. And yes, you can see I already make a dent in it. I have a backup. Unfortunately, you cannot buy it in the stores, but it's still available on their website. That's the CoverGirl blush in, come on, CoverGirl blush in Soft Sable. And that's the one which I have it. If that's the blush, see, that's the color which I have on my cheeks today. Next one is the powder from number 7, which is really nice and soft and give you wonderful finish. That's the Luft and Luminate. Next one is the cream eyeshadow from Laura in color Moonlight. The end of the pencil, it shows the exact color as the product inside. So here we go. So that's the Moonlight, and I also have Rose Gold, whatever you decide to focus. Come on, here we go, Rose Gold. So it's a little bit darker than the Rose Gold, even though you can tell they look almost the same. Okay, I have a creamy blush from the same brand. This I have for many years, and I put it here so I can use it up. That's their, I believe, Peach Rose. Come on. Peach Glow, here we go. So it's a color, but you can also see the glow as well. This I got it recently. That's the lip liner from Rimmel in, come on, Instant Snob. Okay. Whew. Now, yes, it is a kind of a light and bright color, but I put this all over my lips and then apply shade to which I'm not gonna wear on its own. So pretty much I'm mixing items and try to make them look more presentable. This is new to me. I just got this one yesterday. That's the Rimmel Lasting Finish 24-hour breathable with SPF. I cannot tell you if it works or not because I didn't wear it yet, but it's in this container because I want to give it a try. Then I have from the same company Fix and Go. So that's their primer and setting spray. I use it as a setting spray. The mister, it's not the best, but I keep it far away and keep spraying. But once I finish, I don't think I'm gonna repurchase because I have a couple other items to go through. I should say another products to go through. That's the Brow Stylist from L'Oreal. So that's what I use on my brows. And come with a nice small brush, which I do enjoy it. And I will have to replace it because the product is on its last leg. Next is the liquid eyeliner from Maybelline with a long tip. Here we go. Few items left. That's the L'Oreal. Come on. No, it's their eye pencil. Open up. Yeah, great. I make a mess. That's the L'Oreal Infallible long wearing pencil in black. I do like it. Why? Because besides being affordable, it stays on your waterline for a long time, and as you can see, it's almost gone. But yes, I do have replacement for it, but yes, I do enjoy it, and The pencil is great. Just clean my hand because now I'm gonna be black all over. Then I have a set of eyeshadows from Flower Beauty. This one, it came in a set years back. I don't know if they still make it, but possible. Maybe they either changed the package or maybe now they come in a singles. Those are the shades. Yeah, the yellow, it's kind of crazy, but all right, the yellow is like kind of scary. However, if you hide those two shades, the rest of it, it's wearable. And yeah, as you can see, I use a lot of the shades. The shades itself are pigmented, but they are really powdery. So what you want to shake off the excess from the brush before you're going to start applying it. And the newest addition is the Maybelline Nudes of New York. I wasn't sure about it, but because I watched so many reviews and people did enjoy it, and that's the reason why I decided to pick it up. So now I can start using it. And what's left are the brushes. So yes, I have different ones, and most of the time I change, or I should say I rotate my brushes more often than makeup for hygienic reasons. Okay, so that's what I got inside my makeup container, and in a few months I'm gonna change it again and give you a little update. All right, till the next one. Bye.